Well, another story Ashley is covering for us is one company using AI to revolutionize the construction industry. Just raised 8 figures to bolster its goals. And I do want to head down to the trading floor where Ashley is standing by with more. Ashley, good morning.
Good morning, Kristen. On Thursday, Trunk Tools, an AI platform connecting moving parts in the construction industry, announced that it has raised $40 million in a Series B funding round. Joining me now is Dr. Sarah Buchner, Trunk Tools founder and CEO. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. So tell me, what does your platform do and who are your customers?
So we sell to large construction companies, and we really solve the problem of data in construction. Construction, to build an average like $500 million high-rise, you need 4 million pages of documentation. The stack of paper is 3 times as tall as the building that you're building. So data in construction is unstructured, it's constantly changing, and it's siloed. So we pull this into an AI, and then we have different AI agents solving real tasks out in the field.
Dr. Buchner, you started working as a carpenter in Austria at age 12. How does your expertise and your experience inspire Trunk Tools?
I mean, construction is the second biggest industry on the world, but nobody really cares about it. And so even so, construction is the most consumed product on earth. Nobody really understands it. And so for me, working in the industry, I have a very unfair advantage towards most people on earth to really solving the problems from within.
All right, so you said that instead of replacing workers with automation, you want to empower them. Can you talk about how your platform does this?
Yeah, I actually think we should switch from saying AI to IA, which means intelligence augmentation. We're really augmenting the humans in the field and taking away the bureaucratic layer so that it can go back to letting builders build, which is our company's theme.
All right, so where do you see AI evolving on your platform in the next 10 to 15 years?
I really think AI is actually going to really reshape our economy, not just in construction, but almost every job will look very differently in 5 to 10 years than it does now. And so in construction itself, I think there's lots of bureaucratic jobs, lots of white collar jobs, and 80% of these workflows can be taken care of by AI.
Can you give me some practical examples of what the tool can do?
Yeah, so we compare different documents, we compare submittals with specifications, we help answer any kind of questions in the field specifically for the construction side. But really where we're going with this is we're finding discrepancies without any human involvement. Currently, data discrepancies in construction account for 6.5% of construction cost, which is a total of $1 trillion of economic loss every single year.
You just raised $40 million in a Series B round of funding. Where will you allocate those funds?
For us in construction tech, it's pretty much a 50-50 split from go-to-market and product and engineering. So we're doubling down on R&D, on AI resources, but also selling into the construction industry needs resources and construction needs help.
What is your vision for the future of construction now that we are in this AI age?
I'm really excited about the future in construction because I think that so much of the pain in our industry, which is bureaucracy, it's like documentation, that can just go away and we can focus back on what we want to do, which is building our surroundings, our infrastructure, and that's what the United States of America really needs.
What is next for Trunk Tools?
So now we're going to invest all this money mostly in people. So we're in hyper growth mode. We're hiring left and right. And then it's really expanding the markets and really doubling down on becoming more and more the only real AI in the construction industry.
And what advice do you have for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to build a platform using AI like you have?
I think you need to have some unfair advantage, some unique insight that others don't have, because building with AI has become easier and easier because of AI. So if you don't know something way better than anybody else, you probably will have a lot of competition.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Sarah Buchner, CEO and founder of Trunk Tools. Kristen, back to you.
Thank you so much. Great interview there. Of course, the company will be watching here at the Stock Exchange.